Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a high ping and lag in Apex Legends on PS5. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to load up your game and then press a right thumbstick, right, to open up servers. And then select the server with a lowest ping. For me it's Frankfurt 1 or Frankfurt 2 or even Belgium's ones is also quite good. So select the server and then try to play the game. If it's not the case, if you're still getting high ping and lag, what I suggest you to do here is to go to settings, and always if using Wi-Fi, if there is a possibility for you to use Ethernet cable, always use that because it will be more stable connection, right? But if it's not the case, if you cannot access Ethernet cable and using Wi-Fi, that's what you need to do here. You need to go to network, then you need to test your internet speed, and here test your internet speed and look if you're getting good speed or not. And if it's not, then try to restart your router. And still, if you're getting high ping and lag, go to settings, go to set up internet connection, and then select your internet and press options button on your PS5 controller. Go to Wi-Fi frequency bands, and if your router is quite not far away from your PS5, use 5 Hz only because it will be way faster but less stable. But if your router is in the second floor, another room, and quite far away from your PS5 console, use 2.4 Hz because it's more stable connection, but it's a little bit slower, right? And then go to advanced settings, then DNS settings, make sure to make it on manual, and then on primary DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on secondary DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, still getting a lag, then on primary DNS server try to write 1.1.1.1, and on secondary DNS write 1.0.0.1. And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to MTU settings, make it manual, and then first make it to 1475. If you're getting high ping, make it to 1450, right? And save the changes and look if the problem persists. And yeah, that's pretty much it.